Hey everyone, I'm Charlotte. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a weekend vlog with me. I'll be sharing all the delicious food that I had and a bit of what I got up to, so I hope you enjoy this video. On the Saturday morning, I had this delicious, refreshing watermelon. I love having fruits for breakfast. It just really wakes me up. So usually I love buying this kind of watermelon. I don't know if there's a name for it, but this is like a kind of a oval shaped watermelon. This one is like so sweet, tastes like candy, and that's why I love it so much. So I finished this whole watermelon for breakfast. So in the afternoon, we went to my grandma's house and we made some rice dumplings. And by some, I mean about at least 50. This is something that we do pretty much every year. And here's me making my own vegan rice dumpling. I'm putting some glutinous rice grains at the bottom. We have some braised shiitake mushrooms, as well as this tofu vegan bacon that I made. I'm putting some peanuts, some black-eyed beans, and some red lentils, and then covering all of the filling with more glutinous rice grains. It's definitely a skill you have to learn, and it takes quite a few tries. I'm still not good at it, but the one I just made looks pretty good on camera. You just want to wrap it into a little pyramid shape, and then we're going to tie it with some string and then tie them really tightly with the string. There is a method to this as well, so that none of the filling comes out when you cook them. Here's a close-up of all the vegan fillings that I put in my dumpling. So I have some roasted peanuts, black-eyed beans. All this filling is mixed with salt, shallot oil, a bit of MSG, and some 5 spice. So they're all really fragrant. These are the leaves that we use to wrap the dumplings. I looked it up and it's apparently bamboo leaves. I wanted to show you guys this giant pot that my grandma has that we use to cook the dumplings. We boiled a lot of water. It took quite a while. Place all the wrapped dumplings into the water and just boil it for about 3 hours. And here is the vegan dumpling that I made. It was so delicious. I don't eat rice dumplings all the time, so whenever I do eat them, I just appreciate the flavor so much more. I would have to say my grandma's rice dumplings are the best. Not really being biased, I've tried a lot out there and I've never had one that has this much flavor. So yes, I ate 2 of them for dinner. So we're on to Sunday afternoon. For breakfast, I had a smoothie. It's pretty boring. I always fill my smoothie, so we're going to skip that and go on to lunch. I made a roasted red pepper pasta. I found a similar recipe on another cooking show on YouTube, but I'm going to make mine vegan. So I'm roasting the red peppers under the broiler, then I'm putting them in a container and covering them and letting it steam so then I can peel off all the skin. I'm also going to remove all the seeds, then slice them roughly into thin slices. Then I'm mincing 2 cloves of garlic. Then I'm slicing about 1.5 cups of oyster mushrooms. Then in the same wok, I removed the oyster mushrooms and I'm sauteing some white onion and the minced garlic. Then I'm going to pop all the mushroom, garlic, onion into a high-speed blender together with the roasted peppers, vegan chicken bouillon powder, some chili flakes, Dijon mustard, and some oat milk. Then I just blended it until it's a smooth and creamy sauce. I cooked up some spaghetti and I put a few tablespoons of the sauce with some pasta water and tossed it really well. Then I added some of the seasoned breadcrumbs from my previous recipe video. You can go check that out on how to make these breadcrumbs. This is my first time trying this pasta and I was so pleasantly surprised with how good it tasted. I think the mushrooms added a lot of flavor. The mushrooms somehow made it creamy even though I didn't use any cream. Then for dinner, I made a really easy fried rice recipe. I minced up some garlic. I'm dicing the same oyster mushrooms, as well as this field roast smoked Frankfurter sausage. Adding some broccoli into this dish. Firstly, I just sauteed the smoked sausage with oyster mushrooms and the garlic, and really saute them until the mushrooms have really shrinked. Then I'm adding the broccoli and then saute until it's fully cooked. Add some mushroom powder, some cooked rice, and just mix it all together. And then I added some soy sauce. And yeah, I love kind of making all these different variations of fried rice. I can never get sick of fried rice and I love it so much. I love the sausage in this fried rice, just the right amount of smokiness, because if you eat it by itself, it's just too smoky that it's like tastes artificial. I feel like having some vanilla ice cream for dessert. The Alpro Madagascar vanilla ice cream, and it is the best vegan vanilla ice cream I've ever tried. Little dots of vanilla beans in there. It's made with soy, but it doesn't taste like soy or anything. It's just such a creamy. And this is the end of my weekend, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I really loved sharing all the recipes and food that I had. Let me know which kind of videos do you like watching more. Do you enjoy watching recipe videos more, or these kind of what I eat in a day videos? If you have watched till the end of this video, leave a comment down below. What has been the highlight of your weekend? I'll see you in my next video very soon, and take care. Bye.